I have bought distilled water from Amazon to refill my battery. I have two lead acid battery, and as you know, if you have lead acid batteries, they need one type of maintenance, that is you have to add distilled water regularly. Otherwise, if you add local water, the life of that battery is done. So I have seen a lot of people whose lead acid batteries don't make 2-3 years or even 4 years, but I have used lead acid batteries for even more than 5 years, and their lifespan or their capacity seems to be the same. So tubular batteries usually have a longer lifespan, and there is no reason to discard a battery after 2-3 years. The only problem people have is they don't get hands on the distilled water or very low TDS water. The water they get from the local shop is like tap water, 23, 25, 20, 30 TDS. That's absolutely horrible for your battery. So for that we have bought this 5-liter distilled water from Amazon, and the price of this was 450 rupees. Instead of getting 5-10 rupees bottles from local shop, we have spent 450 rupees. But this will result in my battery performing better for a longer duration of time. So let's add it to our battery. So this is my tap water, and you can see the TDS is 533. We get a horrible amount of impure water. It is directly coming from the ground, high TDS, right? So now this is my RO water, and you can see the TDS is 33. So this is very pure. Many will say that you are having very low TDS water, but 30 is okay. I like the taste, and I don't know whether the seal was opened or what, but it now I have to do this because it is impossible to open it. So now let us see what is the TDS of this water. I can see a bit of plastic and zero TDS, 4 TDS. This is absolutely pure water. I guess the 4 TDS is from the impurities present in this bowl, and after multiple use the TDS will go to 0. I'm really amazed by the purity of this water. I'll give you a link in the description if you want to buy this brand of water. You can clearly see this water is for inverter and batteries, chemical formulations and medical application, and it is very nice. I'm really impressed. So I have poured a bit more of this thing, and you can clearly see 0 TDS. So this is actually a 0 TDS water. You rarely find a product in this world which does what it says, and this is one such product. You can trust it. Amazing. I'm really impressed.